Why do 100% of Brandine Spucklers own at least one possum? Because in her world, pets double as dinner. Let's get into some crazy facts. Fact 1. Brandine's married to Cletus, and together they've got more kids than there are Krusty Burgers. Fact 2. She once revealed she might even be Cletus's sister. It's Springfield, don't ask. Fact 3. Her job history, everything from astronaut to fast food worker, talk about range. Fact 4. She's a master of sass, always ready with a zinger. Fact 5. She's secretly super smart. She even quoted Shakespeare once. So what's your favorite Brandine fact? Let me know in the comments, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.